What's up, guys? I'm so excited to tell you about how I'm getting value on the Amex Platinum, okay? Because I have a lot of value to get here, okay? A lot of value on the Amex Platinum, so much credits to talk about. Boy, do we got a video today because I'm going to tell you all about how I'm getting credits and value, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's just start off with the Airline incidental credit. Well, you guys know there's some tricks of the trade when it comes to liquidating this credit, and my personal favorite is using the United Travel Bank. Do you guys know what that is? It's like a, you can fund this like United Travel Bank, so you can use it on flights later, and I think that's pretty cool. It's allowed me to liquidate my $200 credit by just buying two $100 separate increments with the Platinum card to fund my United Travel Bank, which I'm then going to use for flights because that's the point. It's like a gift card. I don't know why anyone would use it anyway, but yeah. So I got that figured out, and I got my credit, $200 right back on the Platinum card. So that's completely done. I guess I'll move on to the next one here. Digital entertainment credit. Yeah, that one's all right. I was gonna try to do the New York Times and Hulu because I was gonna try to read the newspaper, but dude, why is it so expensive? Even the digital version was like $25 a month. Like, bruh. I could just freaking Google everything, I don't know. I'm not trying to get my news through Instagram or anything like that, but I was really, really trying to be an honest citizen here and try to just get some news through some source. I mean, is the New York Times the best? Probably not, but something good about them. But yeah, I'm not paying $25 a month, especially because then I'd be paying $5 a month with a $20 digital entertainment credit. So, guys, I ended up just doing Hulu because my girlfriend likes to watch Hulu. I used to watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Andy Samberg is on that show, of course, so you got to represent here. But, yeah, so I used to watch Hulu a little bit, and so I got the Hulu, the regular Hulu ad-free version. Bro, I'm balling out. No ads. It's $17.99 a month. So that's completely covered. My girlfriend will use it. I probably won't, though, but maybe I'll watch it with her. Moving on to the Walmart credit. I used to order groceries through Amazon Fresh, but honestly, guys, I just don't want to pay the $6.95 delivery fee anymore. And I know you have to tip and everything. I used to just I don't know. But anyway, I could just get my groceries through Trader Joe's. I mean, I activated this one and I actually paid for it and everything. Am I gonna use it? Maybe. I mean, some people really hate this credit, but I do like Walmart. I actually ordered a lot of my stuff through Walmart. So like this rug, you see it right there, the rug right here. I got that on Walmart.com when I moved here. I think that's kind of it. I got this mirror over here, but you can't see it. So yeah, I got a few things on Walmart.com. I think it's pretty good. I just wish they delivered groceries to my area. I don't know. I'll probably end up using it, but it does come with Paramount Plus, guys. So that's a matter of fact. It does come with Paramount Plus. If you're interested in that, then hey, why not activate it? Ooh, one of the most interesting things that I've done here, okay, is the FHR credit. Well, guys, let me get into something a little important here because I haven't really talked about this, and other people have. Okay, Amex Platinum, right? So I signed up in December. Okay, you guys know where I'm going probably. But I signed up in December for this card, which means that I'm able to double dip on these credits. Okay, so I get all the annual and semi-annual credits now, and then I also get them again in January. So that means I can book an FHR credit now, but I can book it for sometime next year, right? So I actually booked a surprise vacation for my girlfriend. Don't worry, guys. I had her stop watching my videos. She used to review them for me, but I mean, honestly, is she the audience? Probably not. She used to get bored, so I stopped doing that. But anyway, yeah. So I booked a $260 FHR credit one night. I booked one night in Savannah, Georgia, at the Thompson Hotel. Okay. Here's the thing. One, it's a surprise. Two, I'm going to use the rest as Hyatt points. So I booked the one night with my FHR credit. I'm waiting for that credit to come back, which means I booked the one night. Okay, this is the Fine Hotels and Resorts credit for $200. So I'm going to book the rest with Hyatt. So I'm going to transfer points over, do the whole Chase thing, and then I'm going to book the rest. And then I'm going to show up at the desk when it's my time to be there and be like, yo, I booked a night here, but I also booked it with points. Can you just connect the rooms, make sure they're the same? I mean, I booked the same room, but hey, maybe I'll get upgraded. I don't know how that would work. Would I get upgraded from the FHR credit if I only booked one night, but then my Hyatt points booked the rest, like 2 nights or maybe one more night, so it would be 3 nights total or something? I don't know how that works. Like they would upgrade me from the FHR credit, but then the rest would be Hyatt. So I don't know, guys. This is all new to me. I just want to tell you what I'm doing here, okay? But Savannah, Georgia, it's a nice area. I think I've never been to the South. I want to see what's going on. So yeah, that's how I'm going to use that credit. And she's going to get surprised in like 5 days. It's going to be funny. And yes, guys, one more thing. You don't have to book it for like right now. So like, yeah, it's December and I'm double dipping a little bit. But no, I booked it for the spring. So I could also use the next credit when it rolls over in January to book another night after. But I want to go somewhere else. I kind of want to try something else. Okay, another thing, Clear. Yeah, that's awesome. I'm so excited. I want to skip the line. TSA pre-check's fine. Sometimes it's closed, but I mean, skipping the entire line is exciting. I'm definitely looking forward to this, and I'm going next. Oh shit, I'm going in like 2 days actually. I was gonna say next week, but time goes faster than you think. So yeah, I'm going in 2 days to go ahead and finish the registration for this. You just do it online, right? You enroll. I think you got to enroll. You got to enroll for some of these credits. I would double check, make sure you click on the benefits tab and just kind of look through all of them. That's what I did. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I paid for it, and then all I got to do is go up to the kiosk, be like, "Yo, guys, I enrolled. Can you just help me out?" And then they'll scan my eyeballs, and then maybe they'll send that data to someone that shouldn't have it. But hey, I'll be able to skip the line. Another exciting thing here with my American Express Platinum card is the Hulu digital entertainment credit. Okay, actually, it's not just Hulu; it's just digital entertainment. But yeah, guys, I'm using it for Hulu. Okay, Hulu. God, streaming services are so trash now. I mean, how many services do we need to pay? I mean, literally, it's more than cable. Like there's like 25 different services that are all like $10 to $20 a month. Like, it's just ridiculous, guys. I mean, I remember like 5 years ago, there's maybe a couple. Like Netflix dominated everything. Bruh, it's so bad now. Like literally Paramount. There's like Paramount, Peacock, freaking Fubo, freaking ESPN, like Disney. Oh my God, Discovery. Like, it's just what a joke this all is. I'm honestly so fed up, but honestly, whatever, man. I got Hulu anyway because my girlfriend likes Hulu a little bit. I know Brooklyn Nine-Nine was on there when I used to watch it back in the day. I don't know if you guys know who Jake Peralta is, but he's my boy. So yeah, guys, I got Hulu ad-free, $17.99 a month. Why not? Ooh, another exciting thing that I'm going to use every single time I use this card is the Priority Pass. I mean, I have 2 other Priority Pass, guys. I still registered anyway, because why not? Oh, that's a really loud fire truck out there. Yeah, so I registered for Priority Pass anyway, because I like to collect the cards and then have them for no reason. But yeah, I have the Chase Sapphire Reserve and the Venturex. And I mean, if for some reason like the world comes crashing down and I have to cancel both of those cards in the same week or something, and I need to have Priority Pass, I guess I'll just register on the Platinum and have it, even though it doesn't include Priority Pass restaurants, which my Chase Sapphire Reserve does, and I already get the Centurion lounges anyway. But maybe if I'm traveling to Asia or Europe or something like that, then hey, Priority Pass is better over there. I'll get like some wine and cheese or something instead of a Coke Zero and a bag of Doritos. Oh yeah, and you do have to enroll in this. Like, you have to enroll so they ship the card to you, and you also have to, I think it's part of the Global Lounge collection. Is that the same like enroll button? It might not. It might be and it might not be. What I mean by the Global Lounge collection is like that's like the Centurion lounges. Like that's the big boy lounges, bro. Yes, you have to enroll in those, and I did, but I don't think you have to you don't have a membership card. I think you just flash your Platinum and they'll let you in, I think. So I'm going to bring the Platinum with me every time I'm traveling around because, it's important to bring. I'm kind of tempted to just carry it around everywhere so I can flex a little bit, but I'm not going to lie. I don't think that's a good idea. I'm never going to use it, as you guys know. The multipliers are not everyday multipliers. It's like a travel multiplier kind of card. And yeah, I mean, I'm not going to do a what's in my wallet right now. We're going to save that. Just stay tuned. I'm going to do that soon, okay? Because 2024 is coming up. All right, guys, another interesting credit is the Uber credit. This one's very nice. I love to get burritos right down the street, and I can use that very conveniently, even though I'm getting $35 right now. Here's another double dip credit, guys. $35. Boom. That simple right there. I get $35 for December, and then it goes over the next year, and I get $15 a month. Oh, I hope I'm getting this right. I think it's $15 a month. Yeah, it's $15 a month. Plus I have that gold, so it's going to be $25 a month every regular month, which is, it's fine for me. I can use that pretty easily. I love to get this one burrito. It's like a California burrito. I don't really want to tell you the name because I don't want you to figure it out because then you'll figure out where I live, maybe. Fuck, I shouldn't have said that. Okay, Equinox credit. We're not going to use this one. Global Entry TSA PreCheck credit. we're going to use this one, except for not for me, because I'm going to use it for my girlfriend. I already have global entry and TSA PreCheck. Just got my card. It's just shipped in the mail over there. I just finished the interview and everything, and I shipped it. So I have that now. To my knowledge, you can use the global entry credit on someone else, and you'll get paid back. Is this true? I haven't tried it, but I'm gonna have my girlfriend sign up for global entry, and I'll use my platinum card to pay for it. Then she'll get TSA PreCheck too, because it comes with it, right? So can you guys let me know? I'm pretty sure this is something you can do, because it doesn't have to be you, but that's what I plan on doing. Okay, statuses: Marriott Gold, Hilton Gold. Boom, boom, enrolled in both. Will I use them? Probably. I want some free water bottles. Maybe late checkout. Sure, why not? Except for the Hilton Gold was glitching out for some reason, but I'm sure it's just something to do with the browser, my IP address, or the network routing, or the file. Oh wait, what about Saks Fifth Ave? What's up, guys? I'm awkwardly in Times Square right now, headed to Saks Fifth Ave with my Diet Coke. We got to keep it real like that. And I'm gonna go get the Saks Fifth Ave credit. I'm gonna get the gift card so I don't have to buy anything. Watch this. All right, guys, it's a little busy right now, but if you could take a look in front of me right now, you can clearly see it's the Christian Dior in the Saks store right there. So we're pretty much there. I'm being a tourist right now, holding my phone and recording it all, but just gotta take it in. Holy crap, guys, look at this. Look where I am right now. Saks Fifth Ave, baby. We at Saks Fifth Ave. And you can take a look. Take a look right here, guys. Beautiful Christmas tree. I like that a lot. I am so excited. I cannot wait to get that gift card. We're gonna go right in right now. Here we go. Gotta find the gift card area. I don't know where that is. It's just a lot of stores. I didn't know it was a mall. I thought it was just gonna be a store, but we'll figure it out. Major bag alert, ladies and gentlemen. We finally picked up our $50 Saks Fifth Ave credit. You know where I'm gonna put that? Towards something else in January when I can get another Saks Fifth Ave credit. It's gonna be very nice, guys. All right, thank you. Bye. Have a good day.